Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm just doing a quick little announcement video for the winner for hashtag dpsummercooloff. So over the course of the summer, we were blinging out our diamond painting pieces that helped us cool off for the summer. You guys posted some amazing things to Instagram, and I just want to thank you so much for participating. So what I did is you guys entered in your name and your email address, and you gave me what you did for your summer cool-off, and I put everybody's name into this spinner. If you are paying close enough attention, you will see that Terry Lynn is in here multiple times. That is only because I am honoring her, as she did not get her name entry into our last. And so what I did is took the percentage of a chance she had for our last giveaway and put her name in here a couple times. So I just want to disclose that because I'm always open and honest with you, and wanted to let you know that is why her name's in there. All right, so for hashtag DP Summer Cool-Off, Wolfpack and I did Ice Princess by Diamond Art Club, and it was sponsored by DP with Sparklers, Tina over there, as we sparkled and blinged out our Ice Princess, as well as Diamond Art Club. So we're going to spin first for the first prize winner, and that first prize winner will receive 3 AB prizes as their winning packets. They will get 151, 3812, and 300, which are some of Tina's newest colors. So drum roll please as we do a spin. Here we go. All right, Unica! Woohoo! So Unica, you have won the AB prizes. Please feel free to email me and let me know that you've seen this video, and I will get your address and get it out to you. Because I'm giving away something free, I'm asking you to contact me rather than me chase down winners. And I'm not saying that because of Unica, I'm just saying that in general, so I can't wait to hear from you. So we are done with that one. Woohoo! Okay. So if Unica's name gets selected again, we'll do another spin. But now we are going to do the spin for the grand prize winner, woo! Which is a $40 gift card to Diamond Art Club. Thank you so much, Diamond Art Club, for helping sponsor this event. Are you guys ready? Set? Oh no, here you go. Here you go. Who's it going to be? Christine H. Okay, Christine H. Now, I did eliminate most of the last names for privacy. So, Christine H., I believe you're the only Christine H. there is. So, please email me at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com. Let me know that you've seen this video, and I will be more than happy to send you how to get your gift card. So thank you so much for participating in this collab of hashtag DP Summer Cool-Off with Wolfpack and I, as we worked our way to breaking the rules and blinging out the Ice Princess. Right now, Brian and I are working on our mystery painting collab, and this fall I've got 2 more collabs lined up. So keep watching, and if you like these prize giveaways, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe so you know how to win in the future. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.